Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix low-level exception occurred in Adobe Premiere. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, after restarting the application, one effective step is to adjust the render settings. Navigate to File in the top left corner, then go to Project Settings, then General. Under the Video Rendering and Playback section, ensure Mercury Playback Engine Software Only is selected. This setting can help improve overall app speed and playback stability. Next, clearing the media cache can often resolve issues related to file handling. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache, then click on Delete and confirm with OK. It's also crucial to ensure you're using the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Creative Cloud, navigate to the Apps section, and check for any available updates for Premiere Pro. If an update is available, install it to benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. If the error persists, try disabling hardware accelerated decoding. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media, deselect, enable hardware accelerated decoding, and click OK. Adobe Premiere will need to restart for this change to take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the low-level exception occurred error in Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on the games icon to start playing on your PC. So that's basically how to fix low-level exception occurred in Adobe Premiere. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.